Do you know in the villages farmers are there? Okay, I'm purely coming from farmer background. Farmers are there. Mirchi, you know, right? Lot of effort is required for the mirchi. Mirchi farming means a lot of effort.
Okay.
Effort must be required. Okay, so even this year also, my father, okay, doing the farming of mirchi, 25 acres. This year, today also, what we are doing. Okay, even in AC we have some 250 or 300 quintas in the cold storage. Like I'm purely best example. I'm the correct person to talk about this example. Okay, like what happened is, so do you know we have to seed the mirchi, or otherwise there is in Telugu we can use naru and chinna chinna mokkalam, small plants we are going to buy, okay, from nursery kind of thing, at 1.5 rupee or 2 rupees kind of thing. Each plant itself is 2 rupees, 1.5 rupee, 3 rupees, 6 rupees, like based on the category. Okay, so number 5, next Teja, next and after that Super 10. Like these are various names of the mix. Like we will buy, and then we will seed, we will plant, and so sometimes watering is required. Next and after that, so fertilizers. So like lot of effort we require to take, friends. Next, on fine day, okay, the mirchi, the chilies are ready. Then automatically we require to pick that all the chilies from, okay, from the plants, like 2 times or 3 times we require to take. So first time huge number, second time huge we will get, but third time only remaining things, and the three, what we call 3 times if you are going to pick, then that year, so farming got completed. What happened is, one time, second time or third time, we all the things we pick the chilies from the, so, and then we have to expose those for the sunlight to dry for 1 week or 10 days, like almost, do you know, believe me, if the mirchi is there, okay, just last stage is we require to expose to the sunlight so that it will become full dry, and then we have to take inside bags, and we require to, we can sell, or otherwise we can store in the cold storage. Like that is the last activity, right? What we did is, we did complete the cutting happen, and then expose it to the sun for the drying, almost 1 week or 10 days it is required to be, it is required completed that day. Okay, so we shifted all the milk into bags, and then we shifted to cold storage. We did successfully. Like just my neighbor is there, my neighbor, he is also having the farms almost around 20 or 30 acres. Do you know, just after our starting, so picking mirchi, just 2 days later he started. Then automatically almost around 500 quintas. 1 quinta is 100 kgs. 500 quintas mirchi, okay, exposed to the sun, just for drying purpose. Just if 2 days is going to be completed, then moving to the cold storage, like just only 2 days. That day we shifted all our mirchi to the cold storage, but this person only 2 more days. That day rain came, not in small, so big rain came, almost full of water. Then all the mirchi 500 quintas whatever there, నేలలో కొట్టుకుపోయినాయి. So means the rainwater, all the things gone. 2 farmers, same effort they kept. Just only 2 days before, one person safely shifted to the cold storage, but the second person, just 2 more days is required. That's why then all the 500 quintas of mirchi, 1 year effort completely gone into the water, rainwater. Can you please believe? Luck factor is there or not? Okay, so you may ask, sir, he has to take some safety measure, safety mechanism, then automatically the mirchi is not going to be damaged, like you people may feel. So that safety mechanism, that kind of things will applicable up to certain level. Remember that they are going to take some plastic covers, like they will keep night time, they will keep the cover, so that small rain is going to come, will be saved. But a big rain, full of water, then no one is going to do anything. From this example, are you believing effort is the only reason for the success or luck factor also?
Luck factor required, sir.
Yes, friends.
Yes, sir.
Luck factor is required. Okay, whether you are accepting or not, but the problem is that is not in our hand, that is not in our control. Okay, that day rain came, not in our hand. Who is expecting? So in summertime, what will happen here? In summertime, what will happen is, do you know, sudden rain is going to come. Okay, in the rain season, we can expect rains are going to come. Okay, or some, there is some, what we call the government is going to tell, array in the next 3 days, rain is going to fall because of so and so, cyclone is going to be happening because, so we have some information, but in summer, suddenly rain is going to come and it's going to hit like anything and it will smash the things and then it will go. So just in front of me, this is the thing happened not one time, multiple times. Here, effort wise, we can't doubt it all. 500 quintals of mirchi, sir, came. But the problem is time, luck. Okay, I thought that luck is nothing there. Okay, but with the examples of this person convinced her. Okay, that factor is also there. So means that the person who succeeded, don't feel that person is the greatest person. The person who failed, don't feel that person is the useless worst person. Here, can I underestimate this second farmer? Respond, friends. Can I underestimate? Hare, you are effortless person. You are the waste person. Can I tell that dialogue to the second person?
No, sir.
No way. But he is keeping his heartful effort he did. But still, the time, the luck is not, the luck factor is not his side. That is the problem.